Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous video we have seen the part 1 installation, okay, which was related to Oracle Linux installation post installation settings. Okay, in this video we are going to proceed with part 2 of this OEM enterprise cloud control installation. Okay, the part 2 will be focused on 13c standalone grid infrastructure installation, okay, along with 12c release 1 RDBMS software installation, and last, the database creation using the template. Okay, so let's proceed now. I will connect to my VM. Okay, this 13c software. What we will do, I will copy this soft to U01 to grid home directory. So U01 app grid 13c. Okay, I will copy there. So I'm copying from our share point, our share folder to grid infrastructure home. Okay, copy done. Now we can change the owner of grid or install of U01. So we are going to change recursively the ownership of U01 with all folder inside U01, including the software we just copied now. Okay, so I'm changing this. Now I will come back as grid user. I will go there, U01 app grid. Okay, we have the software here. From here we will unzip okay, unzip done. Now what I will do, just confirm. Okay, I will move this to OneDrive back. So now what I will do, X host enable the display. Okay, now let's start the installation. Grid setup. Starting the grid infrastructure installation. Okay, so here we are starting the installation. Here we need to go for the second option. Okay, grid infrastructure for standalone server. This Oracle restart that we are installing. Okay, click next. And here we need to specify the correct location of our ASM disk. Dev Oracle ASM disk star. Okay, so this will show we have 2 disks. Here I will call this DG_data. Normal redundancy will go with external redundancy because we have only 1 disk. Okay, for data we have 1 disk, for FRA we have 1 disk, so we cannot go for normal redundancy. When you chose normal redundancy, you see here you need to specify the failure group. Okay, so we are going with external redundancy. Okay, so selected this, this will be created, first one. Okay, dg underscore data. Next, we specify the sys and system password. Okay, next, here we click next. So here no need to change anything here. ASM DBA group, ASM DBA, ASM administrator is ASM OS admin. Okay, ASM admin. So ASM opera is this one. This is correct. Now here base, grid base, and down we have grid home. This is perfectly correct. So click next. For Aura inventory directory, this is the Aura inventory group name. This location is good, so we proceed. Okay, next. So this will do the prerequisite check first. Okay, so here we have two warning here. One is the memory. Expected value is 7 GB, but actual value is 7. Expected value is 8 GB, actual value is 7 GB. So this is perfectly fine, no need. For CVU disk, we need to fix this, and check. So we will run this as a root user. I will connect to, you see, root. Okay, connect as root, and then we run this fix done. Now click OK and check again. Now memory warning, we can safely ignore this. Okay, because we have 7 GB and then they are asking for 8 GB. This is fine, this warning only, we can proceed. So ignore this. Next. Yes. Okay, this is done. Now we start the installation. So remember, this is grid infrastructure installation. So we are here. Don't forget where we are. We are here. These steps. We are on this step now. 19C, standalone grid infrastructure installation. After this, we'll go for 12102 software installation. Then last, database using template. We are going to create a database using template. So we'll wait for some time. Okay, here we need to run these two as a root user. We need to run these two files as a root user. The first one is this one. I'm running as a root user. Okay, then the next one is this one. Same, I'm running as a root user here. Okay, this will set the group permissions and then proceed with the installation. Okay, this is done. root.sh file done. These two have executed both. So click OK. Then grid installation will continue. Okay. Okay, grid infrastructure installation completed. Okay, here we close this. So we have completed our grid infrastructure installation. Let's verify this. Great. On EP1, you can see that the ASM instance is up. Okay, ASM instance is up. CRSCTL status -t. Grid infrastructure is up. So Now what we need to do, grid infrastructure installation is done. We are done with this step. Now we check where we are now. This is done. Okay, this step is done. Now we are going to install 12.1.0.2 RDBMS software. Okay, we are going to install Oracle software, and then later we'll create a database. Okay, let's proceed now with the database installation. For database installation, we'll log in as Oracle. Okay, so here I will connect as Oracle user. Okay, we enable the display for Oracle user, and we have our software. Again, here we have our software in MNT share. Oracle user also don't have access to that share, so I will log in as root. Okay, root. Okay, logging as root, and then we go to MNT share. We have also a directory here called Oracle. Let's go to Oracle directory. In Oracle directory, we have this one, which is the software that we are looking for. We are installing 12.1.0.2. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this CPR. I copy this to /u02 home directory. Okay, we can keep it at one directory less. So we copy this to that directory, and then we will change the permission. Sorry, let's see first what is available in that directory. 12.2.1. what is there inside? Star.zip. I copy all zip file to this directory. Okay, copy this file. Okay, copy done. Now let's go to that directory. Okay, we need to remove this one. We need to remove this. Okay, what we'll do is change the owner to Oracle or install .zip. Okay, now we go connect as Oracle. Go to the Oracle home, Oracle base. Okay, then we unzip this 01. Unzip this, unzip done. Let's unzip the second file, unzip done. Now we can remove this. It will start.zip. we remove this. Okay, we have now our DBMS software in this location. Xhost, let's enable the display and then start the installation. Okay, and now we are starting the installation. Here we no need to change anything. Okay, before we start the installation, let's create first the disk group. For this group, I will connect as let's run the profile. There's no, okay, the bash profile is there. Okay, let ASMCA. Let's first create the disk group, ESM disk group. So before you proceed with database creation, you need to make sure that the disk group are already created. So here I'm creating the second disk group. This is FRA, fast recovery area. I will call it DG_FI. Also external redundancy. Okay, show advanced option. In advanced option, I will set the compatible database to 12.1.0.0. so minimum 12 version. Okay, once this is set, you cannot revert it back. Okay, you can just move forward. So for example, I cannot come and set and change it to 11. Okay, but I can change to 12.2. okay, so I will create this, create. This group creation. Now for data disk group also, I need to change the compatibility, database compatibility to 12.1. okay, 12.1. yes. Now we need to mount both. Mount this one. FRA is already mounted, so I mount all to make sure that. And to mount all this group, yes, I want to mount. So all are mounted. Now I can exit from this. To make sure that all are mounted, SMCMD, LSDG, can see that our disks are mounted. Okay, mounted. This group are DG data, DG FRA. Okay, so now we are ready for database installation, database software installation. Let me connect as Oracle. Okay, let me go to the installation directory. Okay, so this is the software installation directory. Let me enable the display. Then let's start the installation. This is our DBMS software installation. As you can see, it's 12 release 1, 12c release 1. Okay, here you skip this, no need. Yes, you can skip. Here you are installing database software only. Later we'll create a database. Okay, here this is single instance database because we have only one node. We don't have rack database. Okay, we are creating single instance database, so select the first one, single instance database installation, click next. Here no need to change anything, this is fine. You go for enterprise edition, okay, next. Here we have Oracle base U02, Oracle base, Oracle, this is correct, and database installation, this is also correct. Then we click next. Database administrator, this is DBA, this is correct. OS upper, this is upper, correct. Remaining are DBA because we don't have this group, group created. We have not created this group. Okay. Database backup recovery, data guard, OS data, OS DG, DBA group. Okay, here we need to change anything. Next. Then our installation will start. First we do prerequisite check. Okay, here we have one fail, group membership DBA. Okay, please fix and let me know. So I will run this to fix. Let login at root to my PC. And then run that. Successfully run. Let's close this, then click OK. So no error, no issue, we are good to continue. Okay, click install. So the installation is going on now. Okay, so this is done. We need to run this root.sh again. We are going to our PC. Okay, root. Need to run this. Let me copy again this. Copy this, then run here, paste, okay, we will go to what's the location, Oracle home, testing, root. .sh. Okay, This is done. Click OK. So RDBMS installation done. Close. So we are done with RDBMS installation. Where are we in our plan? We are done with this RDBMS installation. Now we need to go with database creation. Database creation is using template, database template. Okay, so what we'll do, I've downloaded the template already. I downloaded the template already. From here I downloaded this file. So this is the template. You can go to Oracle site, you download this. This is a 12.1.2 DB template for enterprise manager 13.2.0. okay, so this is what I downloaded. Okay, so where is our template file? Our template file is in /mnt share. So here, this is our template file location. So I will go to this directory. Go to this directory, OEM DB template. Okay, here we can see this file. This is the template I downloaded and keep in I kept in my share folder. Okay, share folder. So I need to copy this. I will copy this to U02 product DB 12 DB. Okay, assistance DBCA template. So I need to copy here. So this is the location where you need to copy the file. Okay, this is the location. You need to move to this location and then unzip. So what I will do here, I will go to that location. What I will do, I'll change the owner, Oracle, or install, change the owner of that template. Okay, ownership change. This is the template, this is our template, these are the owner and group to which it belongs. Now I need to unzip this. Okay, let me first switch to Oracle. I need to switch as Oracle before unzipping. Okay, /U02 template. Okay, so this location, unzip the template. So we have unzipped the template. We need to start the installation. Okay, first we will go and create the listener. The listener should be created as great user. Okay, netcar. I will create the listener first, then we'll proceed with the installation. Click next, add next, listener _ OEM DB. Okay, next. TCP, this is fine. Okay, on the port you will give 1525. This will be our port. Next, next, next. So created listener, finish. Listener created. Now let's go to Oracle. Exhaust first. DBCA. Okay. Click next. Advanced installation. Click next. You can see the list of template. Our template is here. This one. We have small, we have large, we have medium installation. Okay, we'll go for small installation. Next. SID OEM DB. No need to change anything. Enterprise Manager Express, we don't need that, we will check this. Next. System password we need to set. Okay. Password done. Next. So normally it should detect the listener. Okay, but I don't know. Okay, we can click next, because anyway we can create the listener later. Okay, or we register the DB, the new listener we have just created. Okay, this is going to be on automatic storage. We are storing on ASM, both ASM. DG underscore FRAG is correct. DG underscore data, this is correct. Oracle management file, this is correct. Specify faster recovery area. Yes, I'm giving the fast recovery area. The size should be 15 GB. Okay. DG FRAG 15 GB. I'm giving this size. I'm enabling archive log mode. Okay, so all set perfectly. I hope I have not okay, all set. Next. Here we click next. We keep default here. I need to change this. Character set here, let's keep 1000. Okay, character set, you are going to specify the default UTF 0. We will go with this one. Check which character set you are going to select. UL32 UTF. Okay, UL database character set UL32 UTF. Okay, this is fine. So connection mode, this is fine, this is fine. I've not changed anything here. I'm keeping the same. This is fine, this is fine. Okay, click next. So database creation, this is fine. Click next. Finish. DB installation start. So our DB installation is going on. Let's wait for the DB installation to complete. So DB installation done. Okay, DB installation done. Okay, we are closing this. This is done. Can just validate. Okay. Okay, I need to export this. So DB installation done. We have here DB home. The DB is open. Okay, having done with the grid infrastructure and Oracle DBMS installation and the validation. Okay, we are closing the part 2 of this enterprise manager cloud control installation, and the last part will be the actual OEM software installation. Okay, which will be done in the last video of this series. Okay, do let me know in the comment section if you require anything from me. I will be happy to share with you. If you need anything, just let me know in the comment section. Do like, subscribe, and then comment. Okay, so that I will be happy to help. In case you need the file I have used for this installation, for any installation, the file which contain the details, the complete detail about my installation, just let me know. I will upload it in the description of this video so that you can just copy it and then try to install it on your VirtualBox. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the last part of this OEM installation.